What's up, people? Welcome to another edition of Inside Jokes RV. This is yours truly, Joe Shelton. Hey, this episode, get ready to take my second trip of the 2021, and I'm going to show you some things that I like that that I pack when I'm traveling. So check out this episode. Me and my RV. Me and my RV. Starting on the inside, self-explanatory. You want to make sure you got all your phone chargers, all that good stuff. There's my backup monitor. Me personally, I already got satellite radio, and when you're traveling and pick up all these various channels. And one moment you might be in the mood with some old hip hop. Next moment you might be in the mood with some old 70s classics. So satellite radio, man, came in handy, man, when we drove from Nashville to Grand Canyon, man. So for me, satellite radio and your phone charge and everything else. My tow vehicle is a 2010 King Ranch F-150 4x4. Just some general stuff. I should have did this while I was packing, but things like the electric drill to help you set up your stabilizing legs. I always like to carry a cooler, even though you got a refrigerator, just for drinks, quick stuff. Your toolbox, man. I always gotta have your toolbox with various wrenches, sockets, screws, all that stuff. You never know what happened. Here's some wood planks stuff for leveling off. Of course, my e-bike right there. I got my ladder. If you can see it in a collapsible ladder. See a little round grill. See those little car jacks over there. Those little car jacks. And inside there I have my sockets for my tires. I do have an impact driver. Just in case, you never know if you have a flat or something. I do have the sockets for that if I need to make a change on the trailer or something. That makes it a little bit easier. Of course, I always throw my little fishing gear in there, never know. An air pump, always gotta keep them tires checked. Of course, all your basic chalks and everything's for your trailer. So also, when you get ready, any trip, a lot of the basic stuff is covered by, numerous YouTube channels and videos, checking all your tire pressure, checking all your connections, chains, brakes, making sure all your doors, I'll put that stairs up, make sure everything is locked, checking your lights, just doing a full walkthrough, walk around, make sure everything is looking good. Alright, I'm not really going to go on the inside because that's just, all your basic necessities, but one thing I will say that I don't have my generator this time because I'm only going about 3 hours away. And the place we're staying is a park, so they have power. But normally, if I'm going 6-8 hours away, a long distance, I'm gonna have my generator back here. Just in case. You never know, you get that far out, you never know. I like to carry that generator on super long trips. I do have a portable power supply. The Paxos 500. That give me some power, give me some charging if I need it. I'll put the link to that video right here. Check out that video, my review of that. Oh, also, got a review of this e-bike right here. I'll put that link right here. So, that's it. These are just basic things, basic RV things I think you need to have on when you pull in a trailer, just in case. If push comes to shove, you can do a few little maintenance things yourself. Also, you should have insurance on your rig. So if a tire's flat, I can definitely call my insurance company, and that's covered. So they'll come and tow me and fix a tire and all that stuff. But sometimes that stuff could take 2 or 3 hours. When if you got the right tools, you can change a tire in 20 minutes. So, but that's it. Hope you like this content. Leave me some other things that you think necessarily you must have. please comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next roll. Another tip when you're traveling, anytime you stop, take advantage of always put fuel in. I'll take every time I stop, whether it's 5 minutes, if it's $10, $20, I always put fuel in the truck. Keep your truck topped off. I know. Ooh, that's a whole other story right there. All right, another tip I like, you just saw on the previous tip when I took all, after every RV trip, I always take all the bedding, sheets, and even rug mats and everything, and take it to a laundromat and thoroughly wash everything in hot water, soap, you know, just to get everything clean. I like to do that after each trip, so going into a trip, everything is pretty clean. So another big tip is I like to keep my bedding sealed. And I got these magic bags, so large, and all my comforters and sheets and everything. I like to keep them sealed up, you know, keep the freshness and anything that might, you know, critters get inside your RV or something when you're in storage. So I like to keep my stuff stored up. And personally, I like to keep everything that's for the RV, I like to keep in the RV. I don't like to bring it in the house. So I just, you know, I got these sheets and spreads, pillows, specifically for the RV. So I don't bring my bed pillow that I sleep with every night to the RV. I got a pillow just for that. Same thing with pots, pans, spatulas, and all that type of stuff. I like to have them set just for the RV. So this is a good tip. See, it's pretty big right now, but once I add the vacuum to it, you'll see how it seals down and makes more storage space. So this is what we're about to do. It's like a giant Ziploc bag. Once you get it zipped, any regular old vacuum cleaner, just that quick, sealed, and this thing holds pretty long time. I kept it, it's been about 6 or 7 months that I've had one of these sealed up. So it stays tight like that. So now your air sealed. All right, in the process, after you do your RV, gone on trips and everything, you've traveled, I'm pretty sure you got bug spatter and just wherever, if you're one of the ones like me that don't have a shelter to cover your RV, you're gonna have like leaves and bird debris, bird poop and things like that. So every now and then I like to wash it. This is my first time trying this particular thing here. Let me show you. A foam cannon. You see it with people doing car details, but what it does, it connects it to your pressure washer, and it shoots the foam up, and the foam sticks. This particular Mr. Pink, but this particular thing, it should hook it to your air pressure, and the foam sticks to it, which allows you a good chance to get your brush and sort of brush. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. When you use a pressure washer, try not to avoid your seams around your windows and stuff. You know, you don't want your high power pressure washer to like break up any caulking. So be gentle, be careful when you're going around the edge of the sink. Gotta get some brush. See how long that phone around up there? And you just see just that quick, just how that little quick makes your RV look a whole lot better. And also what it does, if you leave it parked outside like I do, under a tree, a lot of times the ants and spiders get up in those crevices and things like that. So it's a good way to sort of wash all that stuff off. And just basically, you want to keep it, it's an investment. You want to keep it looking as nice, as clean as you possibly can. Because, if you let dirt and grime build up over time, dealing with RVs, the main thing is water. Then that's also a good way to test, if you pressure wash, if you look inside, you got some water leaks somewhere else, hey, it's a good sign to help you out. But yeah, I'll leave a link to this, called a foam cannon, and I'll leave a link to everything I'm using right here. And I know they're specifically made RV cleaners, but I think it's all basically the same. Some stuff, said to get rid of the black streaks and things like that, but seems to be working pretty good. Me and my RV.